guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to use this pork belly. I got this from Costco. We use thin sliced pork belly a lot in Japan, so I was really happy when I found it. It was a little bit expensive for me though. Anyway, today I'm going to make Tonjiru, which is Japanese famous pork miso soup with a lot of vegetables. So let's get started. I'm using this daikon, which has transformed into zombie. I left it in the fridge so long, so it became a zombie. But you can still use it. It looks terrible though. Peel off daikon and cut it into small pieces. やばいね、これめっちゃウケる。Next, I'm cutting onions. This onion is not zombie. Look at my face. I'm so angry at onion. Anyway, I'm taking onion's core out. I think this is not usual in many countries. I think this is a Japanese thing. After onion, I'm cutting a carrot. The peel has a lot of nutrition, but I don't like the taste of strong flavor of carrot, so I peel off. Then cut it into small pieces. Lastly, I'm gonna add spring onions. When I buy spring onions, it always comes like a bunch, so I normally cover root with wet tissue and then wrap it and then stand it in the fridge. It will last longer. Spring onion can't be old, so I'm checking strictly. Daikon is fine. Then cut it into small pieces. I like spring onions, so I normally cut it thick. Next, I will stir vegetables, so I grabbed oil pot. Just turning around and then shake chair. So weird. Also, I forget to film this process, but just stir vegetables with oil. And then after all of vegetables cooked a little bit, I will add pork. Then cook pork well. Somehow I'm crushing empty egg pack. Weird. After color of pork is changed, add some water. I really wanted to eat a lot, so I added 3 soup cups of water. Then boil it. A few minutes later, skim off the scum that rises to the surface of the soup. And then add some miso. I normally put 1.5 tablespoons of miso for 1 soup cup. Then mix well to melt miso. If it feels like lightly seasoned, you can add more miso. If you have ajinomoto, I recommend you to add it. It gives a deeper taste. After all of the miso is melted, it's done. Looks yummy and smells so good. That's all. Here is the ingredients that I used today, but the amount of pork and vegetables are up to you. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.